안녕하세요, 제이킴입니다. Many people wonder that whether I'm Muslim or not. The answer is I haven't done Shahada yet, but as I told you last time, I have belief in Allah, and I believe that Muhammad is his last messenger. So today, I want to talk about this. The reason that I believe in Allah. First, my family is Catholic, and I was born Catholic too. And my Catholic name is David. Yeah, the Prophet Daud in Islam. Daud Kim. Daud Kim? Yeah, I like this name. But actually, I didn't interested in Catholic that much. I was just busy at living my life. I thought religion is nothing to do with me. But when I was in high school, maybe science class, the earth science, we are learning the birth of earth. The air is created, the sea is created. And this environment made conditions that make the life. Amino acid, RNA, DNA, they made the chemistry, blah, blah, blah. I don't know exactly, but kind of. But I kept wondering, why are they made? What is the origin of this everything? Yet they don't teach about this. So suddenly I felt like this. Maybe someone have created this everything for some reason. Someone who are not created. The absolute thing. So I thought there was like a superpower. You know, science can't explain everything. So I believe something, but unfortunately not in Catholicism. Because I couldn't accept the person is God and couldn't believe that I'm a sinner since I was born because of Adam. But a few years ago, I had a chance to go Islamic countries and I met many Muslims and it changed my thoughts a lot. I had bad images about Islam because of the media, but it was totally changed after I met them. Their attitude of their life and their peaceful heart and respect impressed me a lot. It was really different. We always learn that be kind and respect, but usually we don't practice. So it was really impressive. And I finally knew that they believe in Allah. So I started to study about this. Who am I? Where did I come from? Where am I going? Allah answered all of the questions. He teaches us what we should do in this short life. Kindness and respect is just one of them. For me, Catholicism is a little bit hard to understand, but in Quran, everything is so clear. The God, Allah, is only one, the absolute. And if I do something wrong, I am only responsible for this. Yeah, so clear. All of the instruction of life are in Quran, and the Prophet Muhammad followed it and practiced it and showed us how to practice these things in our real life and also how to prepare the afterlife. I think it's amazing. Life is journey, and if you follow his command, he makes this trip beautiful and valuable. And at the end of this trip, there is amazing present for you. Those who follow the path of Allah look really happy. You should know that Muslims who believe in Allah have amazing energy and happiness. Yeah, so this is why I believe him. Actually, after I started YouTube, of course there were many good comments, but there were also many bad comments too. Like, don't talk about Islam, don't use Islam. I understand, you can blame me. I'm not perfect, never, ever. I have had a lot of sins, a lot of mistakes too, and I always regret it. So, I know I'm selfish, but before the day of judgment, I want to repent my mistakes and my faults and stand in front of Allah. So even if I'm a bad person, I really want to be a better, and I really want to go the right path that Allah leads. So that's why I have belief, and I'm sure that Allah is the one who I seek, and I'm sure that He leads me the right path. And the last, I want to say that thank you so much that support me. 감사합니다. 마살라마.